Newton and the Rainbow, the Prism, experiment that changed science forever. What if I told you that everything we thought about light was wrong? That one man, alone in a dark room, changed how we see the world by splitting sunlight with a simple glass prism. This is the story of Isaac Newton's Prism experiment, and how he discovered that white light is not white at all. It was 1665. The plague had shut down Cambridge University. Students fled to the countryside. Among them, a 23-year-old student named Isaac Newton. He returned to his family farm in Woolsthorpe. But instead of wasting time, he made the most of it, entering what would later be called his Year of Wonders. Newton took a dark room, a beam of sunlight, and a glass prism. When the light passed through the prism, something magical happened. It spread into a beautiful band of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Most people believed that the prism added color to the light, but Newton had a different idea. He thought, what if the colors are already inside the white light? To test his theory, Newton used a second prism. He took the rainbow light and passed it through again. And guess what? The colors merged back into white. That proved it. White light was not pure. It was made of all the colors mixed together. This discovery shook the world. Newton didn't just play with light. He redefined it. He showed that color is a property of light itself, not of the prism or the object. In a dark room with no fancy lab, Newton revealed the hidden colors of light. All it took was curiosity, courage, and a prism. This is why he's called one of the greatest minds in science.
Want more stories like this? This was just one of Newton's wild experiments. Subscribe and join the journey, because next time we're exploring the eye-poking madness of Newton's optics.